Hello, I'm Timothy Adès, and I'm reading these poems for the Zhimo Festival of 2021. Now I'll read a poem by a current living Chinese poet, the distinguished poet Liang, and the translation is by Zhimo. In my old home, my desk was by the window. I could watch the yard with a nice mood. In the open space there were a few lush trees. I would always imagine I could fly through the window panes and become a tree. A bird came to the windowsill every day, her red beak poking the glass like playing music. Her foot couldn't stay on the glass. It slipped each time. Every time when we stared at each other, I turned into a fair lady. Among all my friends, this bird remained the closest one to me. It deepened my loneliness, but I was aware that I couldn't let her in. She would simply clone myself. My laughter was highly skilled. My language was recitable. Every move, every way was done step by step, by instructions from over the desk. Every part of my body could be turned on and off. After I left here, I found answers to many questions. I started to understand those pens. They stood up, lay face down. They followed orders of attention or at ease. I understand a hero is made neither from victory nor defeat. The sky is blue, fathomless. Maybe after some years I will go through those window panes and return to that desk, return to my past and replay everything. But I'm no longer myself, and that bird has gone. It won't come back.